Hello my good people, it is Samto the King here again. By the way, there is that program that I used to take you through. That's the last year, I remember 2024. We used to talk about the street cases and the family broken families, issues that can lead to children opting to live in the streets, and also the effects, rather negative impacts of broken families, how broken families can affect children and also can contribute to a higher percentage of young individuals opting to live in the streets. So guys, very soon expect more classes. I'm gonna take you through several classes. I want to come up with another program where we are going to cooperate with several individuals who will be taking you through self-awareness. We want to come up with what we call self-awareness to individuals who are in Kenya or within the continent of Africa and also in diaspora. Also, we are going to define the constitution and also enable those individuals who do not know their rights, understand their rights very well, as we also going to let individuals learn to distinguish between reality and expectations, so that they can gauge their expectations and their reality, so that when reality comes, it doesn't disappoint expectations. So my good people, let us keep in touch and everything wanna be okay, everything wanna work out.